corrected the math test?
No, Abraham, I haven't corrected the maths test. Yesterday I had somewhere to be. Yesterday I had somewhere to be, so I wasn't able to correct it. I'll try to do it by today. Okay. I'll try to do it by today itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Real and virtual images are the two types of images formed by the reflection and refraction of light rays. The key difference between real and virtual images is that the real image is formed by actual intersection of light rays after reflection or refraction of light, whereas the virtual images are formed when light rays appear to meet at a point in the area beyond the mirror. Okay. In real images, actual intersection of the rays takes place. Okay. But in virtual images, they appear to meet. Okay. It is as if they are meeting, and then the virtual images are formed. Hence, to obtain a real image, the light rays converge, while to obtain a virtual image, the light rays diverge. This is a major difference between real and virtual image. That real image, the light rays, they diverge. They converge. Okay, means that they intersect. But in virtual images, the rays, they diverge. What is refraction? What is the meaning of refraction? Can you tell me? Anybody knows what is the meaning of refraction? This is my surface. Okay, this is my surface, and the light rays falling here. Okay, the light rays falling here. Okay, you can say it's falling here. It gets a little bit refracted. Okay, means that it gets a little bent. It becomes bent. So that is known as refraction. Okay, why this happens? Why this happens is because there is a change in medium. Okay, there is a change in medium. Okay, there is a change in medium and a change in speed of light and change in speed of light. So when this happens, when your light ray is coming, okay, it enters a surface. Okay, your light ray is coming, it enters one surface, one medium, okay, and then it enters another medium. It enters another medium. Suppose first it is your light ray is coming in the vacuum, okay, or the light ray is coming in the medium of air, okay, but then it comes in the medium of water or liquid. What happens then? Okay, what happens then? Then it bends slightly. So this slight bend is that happens due to change in medium and also due to the change in speed of light. This whole process is known as refraction. This process is known as refraction. Understood refraction? Understood, Emma? Emma, understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, let's take a look at real image. Real image is defined as the image formed by the convergence of light rays when reflected or refracted from a plane mirror. This green thing is a plane mirror, okay? And if you can see these two lines, which lines? This line and this line, okay? They are intersecting at these points. They are intersecting. These are reflected or refracted lines which are intersecting on this point. Okay. When they intersect, this intersection is known as convergence. Okay. Convergence. When they are converging here, they will form a real image. They will form a real image. Okay. What happened, Abraham?
Ma'am, my laptop froze. So I shut down the entire laptop, ma'am. And that power it back on.
Okay. Okay, so I just started with real image. Okay. A real image happens when the reflected or refracted rays they intersect. Okay. This intersection is also known as convergence. And then where the point that they converge and intersect, that point is where a real image is formed. Okay. That is where a real image is formed. The real image is formed in front of the mirror and is always located at the plane of convergence of emitted light rays from the source. Okay. Plane of convergence means on that side only where convergence is taking place. Okay. There only it is located, the real image. Real images are formed at a position where light rays intersect each other. They are inverted in nature. They can be seen on the screen. Okay. Can you see that this is inverted? Okay. The tree is inverted.
Ma'am, this is a real image.
Yes, Abraham, this is a real image.
Ma'am, it's not actually there, no, ma'am.
It's not actually there, kind of. Yes. It is like the intersection is taking place. Okay. So image will form, but it is inverted. Okay. And it is also not the exact same size of the original object.
But are optical illusions, basically.
Abraham, your voice broke. I cannot hear you. Say again.
Images are optical illusions, basically, right?
Images are optical illusions, basically. Yes, Abraham. They are.
Images are when they use the mirror.
Yes, virtual images when they use a mirror. That is correct. Now, consider placing an object in front of the concave mirror and light striking the surface of the concave mirror after being reflected from the object. Following the rules of reflection, when several light strikes the mirror, they are all reflected once more and come together at a point in front of the mirror. This is how real image is formed. Okay. The reflected lights are falling. Okay, on the concave mirror. Please remember that the real images are formed using the concave mirror or concave lens, whereas the virtual images are formed using the convex mirror or convex lens. Okay, so the light rays are hitting the mirror and then they are reflecting. And when they are reflecting, they are meeting at a point. They are meeting at a point which is known as focal point. Okay. And then the real image is formed below the principal axis. I explained you the principal axis, right? The imaginary line, and it is formed, your real image is inverted in nature and it is formed below your principal axis. Okay. As we can see in this example, light rays are doing, in reality, converge at a certain point. A flow diagram of that object is then produced at the actual position. It should be noted that rays diverge from a place where they had previously converged. At this place they converge, from here divergence also takes place. What are some examples of real images? Images formed on the movie screen, images formed by the pinhole cameras, images formed on the retina of the eyes. These are all real images. Okay? These are all real images. Abraham, can you read it? Can you read this?
Virtual image is an image that is defined as the image formed by the diversion of light when light is reflected or refracted from a plane mirror, a spherical lens, or an object.
Yes, here divergence of light takes place. Okay, the light rays are diverging. If you can see on this virtual image side, the light rays are diverging and then the image is being formed. Virtual images are images that only appear to be produced at the position behind a mirror. However, it is not present there actually. Okay, they only appear to be produced there behind the mirror, but they are not actually present there. Contrary to real images, a virtual image is created when reflected or refracted light rays get diverged. But here, light from an object is allowed to hit a mirror. And when the light rays get reflected from the mirror, then it looks like the rays are diverging somewhere behind the mirror. Understood? Understood?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
You got my test, right?
Yes, Emma, I got your text. Great diagram of virtual image. The figure below illustrates the above discussed phenomenon. Okay. If you can see the diverging rays, okay, and then when they are like, these are the diverging rays. Where is my these are the points where it is hitting the mirror and diverging. Okay, so you extend these rays at the back of the mirror. When you extend them, the point at which they meet, there your virtual image will form. Okay, and they are not inverted. Virtual images are not inverted, they are erect. Okay, understood.
Ma'am, if I'm standing in the mirror and I show my right hand up, it's the other guy, what I see, it's my left hand.
Yes, Abraham, that is correct. Okay. Yes, that happens. Now, since there is essentially no light coming from behind the mirror, it is always said that the rays seem to meet somewhere. However, this is only the viewer's viewpoint. Virtual images cannot be displayed on the screen due to this. Okay, because no light is coming from behind the mirror. Plane mirrors produce images that are specifically of the virtual type. Plane mirrors, they produce virtual images. Another important factor to think about is that virtual images are real. Consequently, they have a particular shape and size. Okay, they have a particular shape and size, and we can see them with naked eye or any optical device. Like, it's not that virtual images cannot be seen. Okay, they can be seen. Okay, they can be seen. What are some examples of virtual images? Images formed by a plane mirror and image formed in the rear view mirror of the vehicle. Yeah, the rear view mirror of the vehicle is also an example of a virtual image. Understood? Okay. Now, I want you to draw this diagram. Which one do you want to make? This one or this one? This one or this one? It's the same thing, just that here arrows are there and there trees are there. Tree is there.
Can you make the one which arrows are there?
Yes, you can make this one where arrows are there.
Okay, now. So give me a minute.
Yes. I'm making it. Are you all done or are you all doing?
I'm just about to finish.
Okay. And Abraham,
Ma'am, I am doing.
you are doing. Okay. Do it. Let me know once it's done.
Yes, ma'am. Is there another diagram?
Yes, Abraham, there is one more diagram for
Done, ma'am.
virtual image. You make this one also. Finish up this one also for virtual image.
I have a question there.
Yes, Abraham, what is it?
When light hits a mirror, part of
Mm-hmm.
it goes in the mirror and part of it comes out of the mirror.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we see our reflection.
Yes, Abraham.
Ma'am, that's the reason, right, ma'am?
Yes. Yes, Abraham, that is the reason.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then 5 minutes break for all, and then we'll meet for maths class. Okay, let's begin. Please come back. Abraham and Emma, they're about to start.
I'm here, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so today I will teach you the last concept of compound interest, that is finding principal using difference between compound interest and simple interest. Now what happens in these type of questions, you will be given the difference. Okay, in the previous thing that I taught you, you were finding out the CI and SI and the principal was given. Here the opposite case is there. The principal you have to find out, but the difference between CI and SI will be given to you. Okay, how do you work this out? How do you work this out? Let me give you a question, 1 minute. We will take a question and we'll find out. One minute. Okay. Now, difference or question is CI minus SI is given rupees 150. Rate is 10%. Time period 2 years and conversion period are compounded annually or yearly. Okay. Now there is a formula to find it. Okay. This formula that we will use, difference equals to principal into R by 100 raised to the power n. If it is half yearly, then R by 2 by 100 raised to the power 2n. If it is quarterly, R by 4 by 100 raised to the power 4n. Rate and n will change in the formula accordingly. Okay. Rate and n will change in the formula accordingly. Okay. But this is the base formula. R raised to the power n, R by 100 n. So using this formula, we will find out difference is how much? 150. P is how much? I don't know.
What?
Yes, Abraham.
And what is P?
P is principal. This one is period. This one is period. These difference is principal. In the difference formula, it is principal. Okay. Open the bracket and get P into 10 upon 100 into 10 upon 100. Cancel the zeros. Multiply 1 upon 10 into 10, 1 upon 100, 150 is equals to P into 1 upon 100 Okay. Now, p into 1, we know that the value of a variable is equals to 1, a single variable, so I can write it p upon 100. Now to find p, you can cross multiply 100 and 150. P is equals to 150 into 100. P is equals to 15,000. Understood or not? Understood. Very easy. You just put the difference formula. But please note, please remember, if you're finding out for half yearly, please do r by 2 raised to the power 2n. If you're finding out for quarterly, please do r by 4 raised to the power 4n. Okay? I'll give you one question after this to try out.
And this is easy math.
Yes, this is very easy. This is
Ma'am,
very
for some reason the compound interest chapter and simple interest chapter, ma'am, seems easier than before.
okay. Okay, that is good because it's your second time doing it. Okay. That is nice. That it feels easy now. Okay, I'll give you one question. Write this down. Let me know once you've written.
And
Let me-
writing.
Okay.
I'm done writing.
Okay, Emma, are you done writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Try out this question. Let's try out this question. The difference is 10 rupees. Then about 8% time 1 year compounded half yearly.
And so we have to find the um,
Principal.
principal using the difference between the CI and the SI.
Yes, and the formula that I taught you remains the same. Difference is equals to P r upon 100 raised to the power m. Now this is quarterly, so the formula becomes difference is equals to P r by 2 by 100 raised to the power 2n.
I have a question. Is the principal 25 rupees?
Is the principal 25 rupees? No, Abraham, it's not 25 rupees.
Is the principal 6,250?
Yes, Emma. You're getting Abraham.
No, ma'am, I'm still getting 25 rupees.
I still getting 25 rupees. Okay, so I'll do and show you once. We have formula difference is equals to P R by 2 by 100 to N becomes 2. Okay, because 1 into 2, 2, difference is 10, so 10 is equals to P 4 upon 100 raised to the power 2. Okay, now expand. 10 is equals to P into
Ma'am,
4
I
upon.
understood what you said.
Okay. Do it.
Ma'am, now I'm getting 6,250.
Okay, correct. P is 6,250. Correct. Yeah. Now, we will now meet for class tomorrow. Please complete. Your homework is to complete the full exercise 9.6.
Okay, ma'am, can you give us another question like this?
Yes, Abraham. I'll give you one more question like this. Okay. So you can complete it and send it to me. Complete it and send it to me. I'll check it. Yeah, I'll check it. Rates. 20 cents. Time 9 months. Difference is rupees
This
180.
is the same type of question, right?
Same type of question, Emma.
Okay.
Copy the question, please. Please copy the question and then you can read it and then you can send it to me.
Ma'am, ma'am, by N you mean time. Can you write T instead of N, ma'am? Because it's
Okay,
very confusing.
sure.
N can also be written as T, right? N and T are like both of them are time.
N
So
and
then
T are anonymous terms.
N is when you multiply time by quarterly.
N is, yes, N is after multiplication. T is what's given in the question. But some places in your book, what's given in your question, you will also find it like this. T slash N. Okay. Don't get confused at that. The time period. Done writing the question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we'll take 0.75 and multiply that by 4, ma'am.
Yes, Abraham, correct. We will take 0.75 and multiply it with 4. So can you do this and send it to me, both of you? Can you do this question and send it to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you want me to send this to you?
Yes, you just copy the question, Emma. If you've copied, then solve it and send me the solution.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Yeah. Have copied the question, Emma?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Right. I'm just
Oh,
finishing. Ma'am, but I think I'll be able to finish in the next few minutes.
I know, but I'm feeling a little bit unwell. Okay, so you just send it to me. I know both of y'all can finish it.
Okay, ma'am, it's on my book, so I am almost finished solving it.
You've almost finished solving it? Okay, then I'll give you 5 minutes, both of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Take 5 minutes and solve it.
Ma'am, is the answer 2,400?
Now I'm check again.
Okay. Sorry, ma'am. 20,000. 24,000.
No, no, no. The answer will be very big for this question.
Gonna be very big, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, the answer is very big. Yes, Abraham.
Well, I'm getting 2918.
I'm getting it.
Ma'am,
Did
is
you
it
do
correct?
R by 4? No, Abraham. Did you do R by 4? And did you do 4n?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm getting you solve it for us. I tried again, but it's still giving me 24000.
Shall I do it?
Ma'am, I think I got it.
Okay. Okay, quickly do Abraham.
Ma'am, is the answer 1264?
No, Abraham, it's not 1264.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you just give me a second, ma'am? I just want to try it again.
Okay.
Ma'am, 3,300 and 3,660 rupees.
Okay. Now look on the board.
Ma'am, is that correct?
No, I don't know how you all are getting those answers. Okay. But we'll multiply it with pi
Ma'am,
by
ma'am, ma'am,
100.
ma'am. I think I got the answer now.
Emma, did you get it now?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Okay. And Emma? Is it clear now, Emma?
Miss, so that's the answer 1464.
Yes, that's the answer.
Ma'am, I'm writing it in.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I understood how you got, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please give me one more song, ma'am? I understood my mistake.
Okay, Abraham, I'll send it to you, okay? Not
Ma'am,
right now, but I'll send it to you to do it as homework. Okay? Yeah. So you can send me, find the correct answer, and you can send it to me, understood?
yes,
Okay. Okay, then I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.